What's up, y'all? April 30th here. Right now, I wasn't even thinking about it till now, but I'm coming back from picking up some stuff from the auction, on the online auction I usually be bidding on. So, I ain't got no sales today. I dropped off the packages that needed to be dropped off that I had over yesterday. That's pretty much it for right now. Once I get to the house, get this stuff out, let y'all see it to see what's going on, and we go from there. Peace. All right, y'all, I'm back. I got only a couple things. No, go ahead and show y'all. Let's go ahead and get to it right now. Now, what we got up here first is a Coleman's 2020H fuel lantern. I picked this up for $32.28. I see these selling on eBay, ranging from at least 60 to, I don't know, I think about 110, maybe 120. But it's pretty good condition. And when I got it, I hear still some fluid in it, some fuel that's still in it. So it kind of tells me that somebody was using it. I looked up a YouTube video, trying to see how to light these. I never lit a gas lantern before, but I will most likely do this outside in the garage, maybe. I don't know. Well, yeah, I don't know. Either it's gonna be outside or the garage, still outside. But I'm going ahead and test this out, and I feel it works. I mean, it still have fluid in it. But either way it goes, I'm gonna have to get that fluid out of there anyways, because if somebody buy this, I can't ship this with fuel in it. So I'm gonna get this checked out, and let's move on to the next one. Up next here is a collection of new Chicago electric halogen bulbs. So I got these, and it's 1, 3, 5, 9 of them here. And I don't know exactly how I'm gonna post these, but most likely I'm gonna post them in the quantity listing, something like that. I mean, I see even just one of these are selling between $7 and $10, 12 at that. But I'll see how that goes. But with all these, I paid $9.56, all new. So shouldn't have too much hard time selling them. Hope not, but it is what it is. Eventually they will sell. So let's go to the next. What I have here next is a collection of Federal dial indicators. Now these are vintage. They got different models. I don't know exactly what and how they work, but I've seen these on eBay, and I forgot what they was listed for, but I'll have to check back. But I got all together here. It's 5. I got 5 all together here. So I'll get these listed. I don't know. I'll most likely just put them all in one listing, sell them all at once. But with all these, I have paid $13.15. So get these listed, and let's move to the next. Now, next up, we have a collection of 1950s and 60s children books. Some old books that used to be around back when I was a kid. So, and look these type of books up on eBay, and these books actually be selling. So I forgot the comps on these, but most likely I'm gonna have to look on eBay to see how people are listing these. I don't know if I should sell them all together or individually, but most likely probably be individual. I mean, all together. So with all these, what is these? I got 3, 6, 7 books. And all together, I paid for this $7.17. So let's move to the next. We have here next is a collection of children's books with vintage record books. So you have the vinyls. They're here. The Three Little Pigs. It's just a little collection. It got some cassette tapes that came with it. Just different children books, audio books. Yeah, these are pretty decent. I don't know exactly how these vinyls go, but most likely all of this is going to go on one listed. So I'm not even going to play around with it and try to list it individually. So I'm getting this all together just because of these vinyls, and I know some people are about vinyls. These are all out like this, so we'll see what we can get for that. Altogether to this, I paid $11.96. So let's move to the next. Last up here is a collection of new old stock TV transformers. These are all, I opened a couple of them and was looking inside. Some, at least this one, so how the damage the box is. It may be new, but looking inside of it too, it looks just rustic. So I don't know if these sitting in some type of storage and got wet, and that's how the little rust got on it. But all in all, they're pretty much what they knew. It's old stocks. And together with all these, hold on, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 transformers all together. And together I paid $31.09 for all these. So in total, with everything, I've paid $105.21. So hopefully money comes back quick for that, or if not, slow. But either way it goes, whatever money I get from sales is going right back into eBay and some inventory. So I'm just trying to stock up as much as I can and get these sales increasing more than what it is now. Oh, and also for the end of the day, I received a sale. Dang, I forgot all about it. I already packaged it up, but it was let me check. It was a Spartus alarm clock. I got that at the Goodwill haul that I did back pretty much just before everything started shutting down. And well, you see a picture, but I got that from the Goodwill for $3, and it sold for $19.99 plus free shipping. And shipping cost me $3.97. So altogether, I came out with a $10 some change profit. That's pretty good right there. Well, that's all the stuff I showed y'all what I got and what sale that I have today. So with all that said, I'm gonna get to working on this stuff and see how I'm gonna list some of it. I'm probably not gonna list everything today, but it's gonna get there. But the first thing I'm probably gonna start on this liner and see how this goes. But till then, I'll see you guys later. Check you out in another video. Like, subscribe, stay a student for life, learn from mistakes, and I'm out.